Hello everyone, welcome back to Speak English with Kirtish Datwani. This is lesson 6 of our Spoken English Complete course. If you have been following this course from the beginning, congratulations. You are building a strong foundation in English. In today's lesson, we are going to learn one of the most powerful modal verbs in English, must. Native speakers use must to express necessity, rules, strong advice, and certainty. By the end of this lesson, you will know exactly when and how to use must confidently. Let's get started. So what does must mean? Must is a modal verb that expresses something necessary, compulsory, or extremely important. Let's understand its different uses. Use 1. Strong necessity. We use must when something is absolutely necessary. Examples: I must finish this project today. You must wear a seat belt while driving. She must submit the assignment before Friday. We must save money for the future. Students must attend the examination. In this example, the action is necessary. Use 2. Rules and regulations. Must is commonly used for official rules. Examples: you must carry your ID card. Passengers must arrive 30 minutes early. Employees must follow company policies. Visitors must register at the reception. Everyone must obey traffic rules. Whenever you see rules written somewhere, you will often notice the word must. Use 3. Strong advice. Sometimes must is used to give very strong advice. Examples: you must drink plenty of water. You must practice English every day. You must read this book. You must visit this beautiful place. You must watch the previous lessons before continuing. This advice is stronger than should. Use 4. Certainty. Must can also express a strong belief that something is true. Examples: he has been working all day. He must be tired. The lights are on. Someone must be at home. She speaks excellent English. She must have practiced a lot. You have studied hard. You must feel confident. They left early. They must be there by now. Here we are not 100% sure, but we strongly believe it's true. Use 5. Must not. Now let's learn something very important. Must not or mustn't means something is prohibited. Examples: you must not smoke here. You must not use your phone during the exam. You must not touch this machine. Visitors must not enter this area. You must not drive without a license. Remember, must not does not mean don't have to. It means it's not allowed. Now let's compare should and must. Should gives advice. Example: you should exercise every day. Must expresses necessity. Example: you must wear a helmet while riding a motorcycle. So remember, should is equal to good advice. Must is equal to necessary or compulsory. Let's revise today's lesson. Today we learn that must is used for strong necessity, rules and regulations, strong advice, certainty, prohibition using must not. The more you use must correctly, the more natural and confident your English will sound. Homework: write 5 sentences using must. Use a different situation for each sentence and post your answers in the comments. I'll be happy to read them. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this lesson useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. I'll see you in lesson 7 where we will learn how to use may and might in English. Until then, keep learning, keep practicing, keep speaking English.